Hello and welcome. My name is Liz. For those that don't know me, I have decided that I'm going to do a 7-day training series for you guys on Canva. So let's get started and jump in with our video. I'm going to share my screen with you. So let's go. Okay, in this video, we are going to show you exactly how. Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why it is so important to set up a brand kit. So first of all, I've just opened an A4 document just so I can show you an example. And I'm just going to add 2 different business templates. So we're going to pick an invoice, and I'm also going to grab a letterhead just so I can show you how this works. Okay, so we've got 2 different styles here. The fonts are all different, the colors are different. Okay. So we're going to go down to styles now, which is just this one down here with the paint palette on it. Now, because I'm going to show you a brand kit, you can actually select any brand kit from this drop down. So I'm going to stick with this one that's already selected, this Santorini blue, just because it's completely different to what's showing. So yeah, here you can drop down. You can also edit your brand kit in here if that's easier for you. All right, so what we're going to do in here is see this text box here that comes up under my brand kit. These are the texts that I set up as heading and subheading. So when I click on those, see how all the text has now changed to match what I had selected in my brand kit. So now at the bottom, it says apply to all pages. So if you have like a 50-page document, you just hit apply to all pages, and the fonts change on every single page. So this is why it is so important to set up your brand kit. So next, we're going to do the same thing, but we're doing it with our brand palette. So what you can actually do with your brand palette is, if you click on it, it will change this document. But you might not like that combination that they've automatically picked for you. So if you click on it again, you get a different option. And you can keep clicking on it until you find the layout that you like. So I'm going to say this one is the right one for us, and I'm going to click apply to all pages. So now we have 2 matching templates. You can ignore this pink thing in the background because that's actually an image, so let's just take that out. But if we get these side by side, you can see how quick and easy that was to get 2 matching templates created just by using that styles function. So the reason this is important is because if you're designing social media posts or an ebook or any product that has multiple pages, like lots of pages, you don't want to go manually page by page changing all the colors or the fonts. So if you want to create lots of different packs, you can easily use styles to create your next pack of products that are all matching. And everything's been updated. So all you need to do in order to do that and get more products really quickly is to set up a brand kit for the next design. So that's why I have so many different brand kits, is because these are ones that I use to create different packages for my products. So I wanted to share that with you because I think it's a brilliant feature. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to actually change styles just from one page to another. So you're not having to change everything in your document if that's something else that you need to do. But this is such a time saver when creating and selling digital products. I hope that this video has helped you, and if you are enjoying it and you'd like to see some more, please like and subscribe and follow along with this series. I will drop a playlist at the end here so that you can find the rest of the videos. Have a great day.